I've got to deliver now on Unchain Your Mind. Pretty well everyone in the world at some point or another is either completely devastated by worry, it consumes their whole life, or sometimes it's not that dramatic. Sometimes you're just distracted by it. It's just getting in the way. And if I can show you in this really short video how you can compartmentalize worry, how you can process it, how you can just get it out of the way and eventually get rid of it forever, it's probably worth a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you a step-by-step technique that's going to turn managing worry into something as simple as taking out the trash. So stick with me. It's not going to take long. It's going to be worth it. Have you ever noticed that worrying about the future doesn't really fix anything? All it does is bring your mood down today? Just think about that. What does worrying about the future do for you? Nothing. So the people that I work with on a daily basis, lots of high-powered entrepreneurs, plus lots of friends, talking to moms, talking to teachers, talking to almost everybody, they are worried, they are stressed, they do not have a big smile on their face, and it's because of worry. Okay, here comes the magic bullet. If you're ready to reclaim a happy life, here it is. Step number 1, gather your worries. Take out a piece of paper, whiteboard, note on your phone, and write down what you're worried about. Keep it handy because there's probably more things than you think. So as these worries come to you, write them down. Put as much detail as you want or keep it short and simple, doesn't matter. As long as you've got them in a place that you can find them for step 2, that's all we need. Step number 2, schedule a worry time. Once a week, could be half an hour, could be an hour, depends how big your list is. And that is a time where you're going to be uninterrupted, you're not going to be distracted, and you're going to pull out that worry list. Step number 3 is called reflect and act. So what you're going to do is you're going to take out your list, whether it's on a piece of paper or your phone, and you're going to look at each item and you're going to say, is this something I can do something about? Or is this something that I really just need to let go? If it is something that you can action, then you're going to action it. You're going to say, hey, how can I solve this problem? Who can help me? What do I need to learn more about? Because maybe you just need a bit more information about this thing that's keeping you up at night. On the other hand, if this is something that's beyond your control, there's nothing you can do about it, leave it on that list. Tell yourself you're not going to think about this thing unless it's in a scheduled worry time, and do your best to just let it go. Let it pan out. Let it develop a little bit. And again, if you can't do anything about it, you can't do anything about it. But what you're not going to do is worry about it anymore. It's on a piece of paper. Nothing's changing. And then maybe your next worry session, maybe you will come up with a way to act on it. But the good news is the rest of the time, you're not going to be worried about this stuff anymore. And to review, you finished your worry time and a thought comes up, that's okay. The mind has a way of continuing to chatter at you. Take out your worry sheet, write down what you need to write down, capture it, make sure you've got this worry time scheduled in your calendar. It'll wait. And what if it's really urgent and it's really distracting? Well, you don't have to keep the exact same schedule and meet once a week with yourself to discuss your worries or with your spouse or whatever it is. I mean, there's nothing wrong with you saying, hey, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I'm going to schedule a time this afternoon at 3 o'clock or tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. when I'm thinking clearly. You get it. I'm just giving you the basics of it. You're a smart person. You can figure it out. Are you ready for the challenge? Try this technique for 1 month. We're only talking about 4 sessions, whether they're half an hour or an hour. Take out your calendar, schedule them. As I said before, if you want to do one every day, that's okay too. I'm just suggesting one as a start. And let us know what happens. Put it down in the comments. If I haven't been clear about something, please let me know. I get back to people right away. I really hope that you got something out of this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that. And I will see you in the next video.